Hello guys, my name is LaTerra. I am going to be showing you guys just a week in the life of my natural hair. I saw this video and thought that it would be super cool to make. My hair type is 3C4A with low porosity and it is currently color treated. I colored it about a month ago, so this is what the color and everything looks like, but here is a week in the life of my natural hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you get notified when I post. And if you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here, as well as linked down in the bio below. And all of the products that I talk about in this video will be also linked down in the bio below. So let's get into it. Okay, so showing you guys a full wash day. I'm going to start off with Tuesday and Wednesday, usually the day before my wash. I like to just do a low manipulation hairstyle, which I am doing here. I'm just going to take these front two pieces of my hair and then tie them back and then let the top part just hang down. As you can see, my hair, she's frizzed out at this point. I really try and do something that can just get me through wash day sometimes because, yeah. But the products I am using for this style are going to be the As I Am refreshing water. I think it's like made of jojoba water. I'll put the link down below, like I said. Ouchless elastics. I use these for all of my styles pretty much. I use the water to refresh my hair every day, and then the ouchless elastics because they work the best for me. Going into the next day, after our hair looks crusted, busted, dusted, and musted, we are waking up contemplating our life, but we gotta wash this hair. So after we get that nice little yawn in, we are going to hop into the shower and wash our hair and hit it with a nice little reset for the day. I am going to be making an updated wash and go video coming soon, which is why I'm just speeding through this part. But basically on Thursdays is when I do my hair refresh. And then this is how the curls came out with this wash and go product. I'm going to clip the ends back and let it air dry. Next, we are going to have just a very low manipulation day. When I do a wash and go, I like to let my hair kind of go, for the next 2 days. So for Friday, this is what I'm doing. I'm just kind of taking my curls out, and I am using the OGX argan oil to get out the little bit of crunch that is in my hair. I do like it sometimes because it gives definition, but I don't like it to be overly crunchy because then I'm gonna try and pick it out throughout the day. So I kind of find a happy medium with fluffing my hair out. And then after I get it fluffed to a level that I like, I am going to just do my edges, and I am using the edge booster. I'm using the purple jar. I don't know if they're different, but after I do that, I like to also throw some oil in my scalp, and I'm using the My L rosemary oil. Look at the curls. Okay, so next on Sunday day, I am taking my hair down again, using the oil to make sure that I get some of the crunch, and then I'm going to go into this hairstyle. I don't know if you want to call this low manipulation, but for me it is because I'm only going to do it once, and it's going to sit in my hair like this for the next 2 days. This is my style that I've done in so many videos. I recently just learned I was doing this wrong, so I'm still perfecting it. But we are going to do this and just simply tie up the front to keep the pieces of our hair out of our face, because that is the part of my hair that I play with the most. So I like to keep that pin back as much as possible. We're gonna let them boys down, and this is what we're gonna be like for the next couple of days. So it is now Wednesday night. I am taking down the elastics in my hair, and Wednesday nights are usually when I like to go in and reset. I am spraying the As I Am water on my hair, and then I am going to go in with the Aunt Jackie's scalp oil. It smells very great. I use it because it is a thicker oil, and like to put that on my roots so they can get some nourishment overnight. And then I'm also going to go in with the OGX argan oil that is meant for your ends, and I'm going to put that all over my ends, as well as the Myel oil that you guys saw earlier. And I'm going to just tie my hair up after I put these parts in, and I am going to put a scarf over it and a bonnet. It's kind of like a pre-poo in a way, if you want to call it that. I be feeling like I look like Papa Smurf also. But this is what the hair is going to look like after I wake up from my pre-poo. And then I'm going to begin my everything hair shower routine. In this, I'm going to use shampoo, conditioner, as well as a deep conditioner. And I only do this one day a week while I'm in the shower. As you guys can see, my hair is needing a refresh. I like to just rinse my hair out until the water comes clear and then add the products in. And then I'm going to do my wash and go and start the week all over. And that is the week in my hair. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.